Throwing is Allen on third. To the tight end, Knox. Touchdown, Bill. Here's a play fake as they set up to throw. Rolling to his... Oh, that one coming. It's intercepted. Throwing back across his body. Looking to throw.
Oh, into a receiver is going to take to get the message. It has to...
Oh, for the third time. Picked off by Micah Hyde. On third down, Jackson. For the fourth time today. Picked off by Jordan Points.
Are you trying to...
And now here's another. And the Bills are going to take... We are at Highmark Stadium in upstate New York. Today we're... From his end zone, Isaiah McKenzie. And he'll be... Singletary to get the drive started. And able to break one tackle, but then quickly brought down. But a nice little gain. A good run, got 7 on first. Here's 2nd and 3. Singletary again. And this won't be enough to pick up the first. A gain of 2, 3rd and 1. Just play number 3 here on the opening drive, and it's an early 3rd and 1. They'll try to run for this with Singletary. And he will not get there as they stop him short right around the 34-yard line. Allen will look to throw for it on 4th. He'll get this one complete to Davis. And he is going to have the Bills first down as they manage to convert. And that'll keep the drive alive. Play action. Now it's Allen. Right back to Davis. It's complete. And he'll be tackled on the other side of midfield at the 46-yard line. So in Raven territory now. Here's a 1st and 10 at the 46. And he is met at the line of scrimmage, and he goes down right there. Officially nothing on that last run. They'll try again 2nd and 10. Allen off the play fake. And bringing it in, it's Davis. And he is out of bounds, but not before he's inside the 30. They run for the first time with James Cook. Knifes his way forward here, but just 3 yards on the play. 2nd down. On 2nd and 7, Allen. The quick throw knocked away. It's incomplete.
This is what defensive coaches ask of their defenders every single ball game. Get a hand on every throw in coverage. They want the deflections. They want the knockaways. Pick it yourself if you can, but at least knock it down and guarantee it's incomplete.
Throwing is Allen on 3rd. And he completes it to the tight end, Knox. Touchdown, Bills! Dawson Knox, a touchdown grab from Josh Allen.
And right now, if you're on the defensive side of the ball, you're on the sideline saying, okay, what do we have to dial up in order to get off the field a lot faster? Because
Hill is going to take it out of the end zone. Here's a play fake as they set up to throw. Rolling to his right. Oh, you saw that one coming. It's intercepted. Throwing back across his body. Picked off by Micah Hyde. And the Bills are going to take possession of the football. Well, that's certainly not the start that they envisioned, Charles. You give up the long touchdown drive, and there, an interception on their first play from scrimmage.
Brandon, I wonder if the mindset was simply, well, that was a long touchdown drive. Their defense might be a little relaxed and feel like, hey, we're in good shape now having 7 in hand. Maybe they just thought, let's take the shot at them right now.
Right back to Singletary on 2nd down. And he'll...
Created some space, and he got there.
56.
First down, and they're going to throw with Allen. The throw on target to his receiver, McKenzie. They're looking at a 2nd and 8 now from the 10. A play fake to Singletary, and now it's Allen finding Knox there, complete. And he is going to lose yardage here. A yard in the wrong direction makes 3rd down tougher. 3rd down and 9. After 1, 7-0. The Ravens bring out an extra defensive back here on 3rd. Allen now looks to throw. Looking for Diggs, and it's intercepted. Picked off by Patrick Queen. And
a field goal waiting for you. And in this case, they end up with nothing.
And way up past the 35 before he's taken down. From all the way up at the 38 now after a good start to the drive. Off the play fake to Dobbins, here's Jackson. He's got his man, it's Andrews.
See what kind of disruption he can cause.
And they take him down. The Bills get to him. Now after that sack, it's 3rd and long for Jackson and the Ravens. Looking to throw. Oh, into a sea of defenders and intercepted. They'll run on 1st down with Singletary. And he'll do a nice job here just to fight his way back to the line of scrimmage. So after the run for no gain, here's 2nd and 10. Now Allen. Quick so far on 3rd down. Just 1 for 3 thus far. This is 3rd and 10. To throw, it's Allen. And this is caught for a Bills touchdown. Isaiah McKenzie. Extra point by Bass, up and good. And that'll make the score. Hill is going to take it out of the end zone. And they'll start. It's been a miserable start for them offensively. Obviously, 2 drives, 2 interceptions.
And this is where you have to know your quarterback and know how you actually have to reach him. Do you do it with a little bit of humor? Maybe you break the ice a little bit like, hey, didn't we practice in that color jersey all week? Not the one that you're throwing it to? Or maybe you have to be stern with it. But whatever it's going to take to get the message, it has to.
Oh, for the 3rd time, Jackson going to be intercepted. Picked off by Micah Hyde. And the Bills are going to take possession of the football. So that changes things.
Nice job there of seeing the play all the way to the end and making the tackle by the QB.
And it goes the wrong way. Here's 2nd and 12. Throwing now is Allen. He finds his man, complete. It's McKenzie. Now a 1st and 10 at the 11. Give to Cook out of the gun. And he'll get this one down to about the 10-yard line.
Right, you had him stop, but the hand gets up just a little too high, and the natural inclination is to hold on, and that's going to get called every time.
And that is caught. Touchdown, Buffalo. Gabriel Davis, a fighter this first half, and now an extra point away from making it 21-0.
Yeah, and your experience led you to say that because we have both seen those 20.
Hill is going to take it out of the end zone. And they'll be backed up a bit to start as he's out of bounds at the 16. The Raven offense set at the line for this next drive. Well, CD, you kind of feel like they're in a bit of a danger zone right here because now you're down 3 scores, and I know we're in the first half, but the way this offense hasn't been able to generate anything, you feel like they probably need to get something going on this drive, right?
Yeah, and sometimes I overuse that this is an important possession, but I think this has to be the possession where they come up with an answer.
Legs now. Here's another 1st and 10. Throwing is Jackson. And this is going to be hauled in by the tight end, Andrews. First red zone chance now for the Ravens. 1st and 10 right at the 20. Off the play fake. Here's Jackson. And he wisely will throw. On 2nd and 10. Jackson. And play. On 3rd down, Jackson. And his pass is intercepted for the 4th time today. Picked off by Jordan Poyer. And the Bills are going to take over once again, and they'll have it at their own 8-yard line. A little under 30 seconds to go. We'll see how they play it here on 1st and 10. So after the INT, it's Allen setting up the screen for Cook. And they'll bring him down right around the 13. So they fake the handoff. Now Allen. Oh, that's into double coverage and intercepted. Wow, a big...
Talk it over a little bit. I wonder, partner, was the analytics coach in his head a little bit? Maybe go ahead and press it and try and get some points.
What comes to my mind is you can't get it all back at once. They probably need something, though, out of this drive. At least 3 points.
Are you trying to say that there's no 3-score drive?
And now here's another interception. Tre'Davious White with a pick. And the Bills are going to take...
That you know you can't toss an interception to open the second half. This just ratchets up the pressure on this team's defense right now.
From back at the 4, here's 2nd and goal. Now Allen. This is caught. Touchdown. Tommy Sweeney from 4 yards out. And the Bills are...